Hey guys, it's Emily, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this look that I have on right now. It's one of my favorite go-to goth alternative looks that I've been doing for the past couple of weeks now. It's super simple and easy, so yeah. But before we get started, I'm going to talk a little bit about Dossier. They are a luxury perfume brand. They have perfumes that smell like luxury brand perfumes, but they're at a really affordable price, and they're all just like all around a good brand. I have a couple of perfumes here. I actually have been working with Dossier for a while now, so I've gotten a few perfumes from them before, and they smell really good. You guys can check those reviews out in previous videos, and also I have like a whole dedicated video. So I have some perfumes here to review, and I also have some colognes which my boyfriend's going to review and tell you guys like I'm actually like telling you guys the truth. They smell really good, and they're just really good brands. So first of all, I have my perfume here, which is Floreal Coconut. They come in this little box that looks like this. You open it up and this is what the box looks like. And so one of the really cool things about this brand is that you can test out the perfume before you actually open the full bottle, just in case you don't like the scent and you want to return it. They have a risk-free type of thing. You have like 30 days to return it and get a full refund. I give you a little sample here. So this sample here is called Floreal Coconut, and it is inspired by Tom Ford Soleil Blanc de Perfume. And this it comes with a little card. It tells you all the notes. It tells you top notes, middle notes, base notes, and you guys can pause to read this if you'd like. But this just smells really good. It smells really clean. So here on this little card it says, our mission is to deliver the highest quality luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. They have perfumes, colognes, unisex scents, and they're all inspired by luxury perfumes. They have scents inspired by Gucci, Tom Ford, Versace, Chanel, like anything designer you could think of, they probably have it. So we are going to be reviewing these colognes from Dossier, and this is like, I always get perfumes from them, so this is kind of different because it's a cologne. So first of all, we have Versace Dylan Blue. Okay, so you want to smell this and tell me how it smells?
Yeah. Let's see.
We have to open it up.
Oh, okay. Ooh. Dang, that smells like it's at least $75, maybe like $125.
But guess what?
But what?
It's the low price of like, they range from like $20 to $30, so.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh, we're gonna have to stock up. Can I spray it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I feel fancier already.
So
Dossier.
So the colognes are literally like the same. They come in the same packaging and everything as the perfumes. So it comes with like the little card. It tells you all the notes, top notes, middle notes, base notes. Yeah, and then it also comes with the sample. And then the actual bottle looks the same. Like I said, this is like my favorite. Looks really nice and just very expensive. Very
simplistic, but yet cuts to the point.
Yeah.
It looks fancy, feels fancy, smells fancy. I feel fancy now.
Okay.
I love
it. That's the first one, and then there's one more, which is the Gucci Guilty. I feel like I've smelled this before.
Does it have it on here?
Oh no. It smells. Yeah, I feel like I've smelled this before, and it smells like the same as, like, they all smell exactly the same as the actual cologne or perfume. That one's my favorite.
Yeah, that one smells really good too.
Yeah, this smells really good. Like, I would use this.
Yeah, I can't wait to use these.
This one is
Weheartit Pink Pepper. Fogier pink pepper is how we're gonna.
And that is inspired by Gucci Guilty. And then again, like I said, it has all of the information on here. But yeah, iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So there you go. Now you've not only heard it from me, but
yeah, it's official.
Somebody
it really
else.
actually smells good, you guys. Come on. I'm gonna be sniffing all over me for the next, I don't know, 2 hours. I hope it lasts long.
No, these like perfumes, colognes, they last like really long. Like I will spray it on like my shirt, and like my shirt will smell
until the next day.
Yeah, days after. So yeah, if you guys are interested, definitely go check them out.
Check it out.
Everything will be linked down below. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start out with priming our eyelids. I like to prime my eyelids with this e.l.f. concealer. You can get this like any drugstore, so that's what I'm doing first. Now you're going to need a black eyeshadow. I'm just taking this black eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using a very thin angled eyeliner brush. Now this is just a Wet n Wild one. You can literally get this from like Dollar Tree, but you're going to need one that is very, very thin so that you can have precise lines. Now I'm just mapping out a sort of winged shape. And yeah, that's pretty much the first step, is just doing a kind of winged cat eye look. So next step, you're going to need a smudging brush. I have this one here by Morphe. It's like a really tiny one. You're going to take some black eyeshadow and you're going to start outlining the outer corner. And so I'm just following this line here, and I'm just kind of packing it on. Next, I take another angled brush. This one's kind of thicker in bristles so that I can get some precision here in this very tight corner. You're not going to take the eyeshadow all the way. You kind of want to leave it on the outer corners. But now I'm just kind of smudging it out and kind of making it look more blended. I also add some more black eyeshadow onto the outer edge to give it more of a darker look. But you can take it as far as you want to. I kind of like having it only at the outer corner of the eye. And again, here I'm just smudging out the black eyeshadow so that it just looks very blended. And yeah, that's pretty much all that you do for this look. It's pretty simple, easy look, as long as you blend it out as much as you can from the outer corner. So next I'm going to be taking a shimmery, like I don't really know what color this is. It's just a very shimmery, like nude color. You can honestly use whatever color you want to use. The reference picture that I have, that I got this look from, I think the eyeshadow was more of a silverish, shimmery color. I don't even really know how to explain it, but yeah, I just find that this color here looks really good. This color is from the Jaclyn Hill palette as well. It's one of my favorite like shimmery nude shades. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing on the other eye. Like I said, you're pretty much just map out a cat eye type thing, and depending on your eye shape, you can go further up or further down, and also depending on how big you want your eyes to look. This look also looks really cool without the black eyeshadow, so if you just want to, you know, leave it as an outline. And yeah, that is pretty much the entire look. I just went ahead and threw on some eyelashes, and usually for this look I just leave the bottom clear and I put some mascara on, and I really like how this looks. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do recreate this look, please tag me in some pictures. I'd love to see your guys' take on this. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.